Hi, today I'm cooking BBQ chicken wings. Okay, with air fryer. Air fryer. So what are the ingredients I use? Let me show you. I use hoisin sauce, lemon, black pepper. Okay, black pepper. These three ingredients, marinate it, and then I put into the air fryer and cook. Okay, I'm gonna put it in the air fryer and cook. Okay, so I'm cooking. It can be 180 degrees or 200 degrees, and then cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, yeah, so this is how I cook my chicken wings, BBQ chicken wings. Lemon, BBQ hoisin sauce, black pepper chicken wings. Yeah, hope it's nice. If you like this video, please click the button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.